Hi, my name is Modit and I'm a stock market coach and a trainer. And I've been training, trading and investing in stock market for over 14 years. Now, I've trained in some of the biggest brands in India like ICICI, National Stock Exchange, and some of the biggest colleges across India. And I'm here because I have realized that people are not able to do the right things in the stock market. And even though our country has grown, our economy has grown, stock market has grown, people have lost money in the stock market. And that's the reason why I'm starting this channel, so that we are able to do the right things in the stock market and grow money along with our country's growth. So people have been asking me about one thing, and that is, when will the market go down? When will the market crash? Because we've seen the markets go up for the last couple of years. The markets have delivered staggering returns. And what we are looking for is some bit of correction so that we can invest more. But people are fearing about a market crash after the markets have gone up so much. So when will the market go down, and whether you should invest when the market goes down, whether the market crashes, should you invest? Because this is the question that most of the people are thinking of. They have invested their money, it has grown a little, but they now fear a market crash. The fact is, if you fear about the market crash, you'll never be able to make money. In fact, you should look forward to the market going down. And there's a good reason for it, because when the market goes down, the price goes down. It's like a sale is going on and you can buy more in a sale, right? And if you look at how the market behaves, every couple of years it goes in a crisis. And as they say, they say that never let a crisis go to waste. And if the market goes down because of crisis, make sure that you invest. If you look at the current scenario, the market has been soaring high. In 2024, the markets have been going up almost on a daily basis. It's making a 52-week high almost every couple of weeks. So what we need to understand is that if we look back in the year 2022, the market crashed because of the war. And if you go back a little more, in 2020, the market crashed again because of pandemic. And if you go back a little bit more, in 2018 and 2019, small and mid cap index fell by more than 35%. So every couple of years, the market goes in a crisis, and the markets have done well for the last couple of years. So there is bound to be a crisis in the future. Now, exactly when, nobody knows. Maybe 6 months down the line, 1 year down the line. But in case if there is a crisis, should you invest? Well, you should. Because majority of the people are running away from the stock market when the markets are going down. And majority of the people don't make money in the stock market. So what you need to do is, in order to make money in the stock market, in order to not be part of the majority who loses money all the time, you need to invest when the market goes down. And the reason could be anything. The market can go down because of any reason. But if you believe that India is growing, and if you believe that Indian economy will continue to grow, you must invest. So when the market goes down, what you can look to do is, first is, do not panic. Because if the markets have gone down, history has shown us that it will go back up. In fact, the next time when it goes up, it'll go up much more. And we have seen that numerous times in 2022, 2018, 2015, 2013, 2011, 2008. And if you look back, we have seen series of market crises and market going down, and every time the markets have gone up. It'll be hard for us to believe that Indian economy is growing and Indian stock market isn't growing. You look back 10 years, you would have seen that the market was at probably around 6,000 levels. So the markets have grown by over 4 times in the last 10 years. And if you go back 20 years, you would see that Indian stock market was closer to around 2,000-3,000 levels. I'm talking about Nifty here. So every 10 years, the markets have grown by 4 times. That means on an average, Indian stock market is delivering about 15% return. So what we need to understand is, we should not panic. In fact, we should look to invest more. It will be the time for us to rebalance our portfolio and maybe allocate more towards the equity investment. Now, I keep getting this question quite a lot of times, especially when the market goes down. And the latest example was when on 4th of June, on the election day, the market crashed by good 8-10%. People panicked, there was panic selling all around, and I got numerous calls on that day asking me if the market is going to crash. And my answer to them was simple, that this is the time to invest. And if you want to learn more about it, how do you go about investing, how do you allocate money into different stocks, different mutual funds, different ETFs, you can join my free masterclass. There will be a link in the description below, and you will be able to click on it and join. And now I have a vision, and the vision is that I want our Indian investors to grow along with the country. And to follow this journey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.